Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salad with Greek yogurt. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables. Cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers work wonderfully. Ensure your Greek yogurt is plain and unsweetened to avoid any unexpected flavors. Begin by thoroughly washing all your produce. Then, carefully dice your chosen vegetables into small, manageable pieces, aiming for consistency and size. This preparation ensures every bite is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. Now, let's create that creamy, tangy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your plain Greek yogurt with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Add a clove of minced garlic and a generous amount of fresh, chopped dill. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper to taste. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until the dressing is smooth and all the flavors are beautifully blended. This forms the heart of your salad. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. And speaking of easy, imagine a clean kitchen floor after all that salad prep without lifting a finger. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is totally pet-friendly, keeping your space spotless. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With your dressing ready and vegetables prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers into the bowl with the Greek yogurt dressing. Using a spatula or large spoon, gently fold the vegetables into the dressing, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more refreshing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.